Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. I'm out here working on this 2006 Aquatrax F12x today, and I'll show you how easy it is to replace a damaged mirror. You can see the plastic mounts for the adjustable mirror broke off inside. Maybe someone pushed on it too hard. First, you'll need a replacement mirror. I bought this one from Jet Skis International. No, they didn't sponsor this video. Brian Brocksmith is just a good guy and a big help to the Aquatrax community. So I buy from him when I can. This was only 50 bucks. I'll put the part number in the description. It's so shiny compared to the old one. Here they are side by side. I guess that's what 14 years of sun and water does to plastic. It's held in with these two studs. So let's look inside the hole. And here they are. Looks like about a 13 millimeter. Actually, might be a 12 millimeter. But this works. They're not too tight. While you're in here, make sure you have the fuel tank recall done for 02 to 07 models. Here's the updated tank part number. Just make sure you don't drop the locking nut or the washer. And there goes the washer. She gone. Here's the ones from the other stud. That bracket on the first one can just push the washer off if you're not ready for it. And now the mirror comes right out. Note the thread lock on the studs. I'll put some thread lock on the new ones as well. Better safe than sorry. So I have the mirror in my left hand and the washer and nut in my right. Get these ready to go on. I'm doing the farther back stud first, so I don't have to mess with that metal bracket right now. Just barely getting it hand tight right now. Now I can get it tighter with a socket. Now the back one is tight, I can get this bracket on the front stud. Then with the lock nut and replacement washer, I can get it started by hand. Now come back and tighten it down with the socket. And done. That really does look a lot better than the old faded mirror. Plus, I can see behind me now. The old one probably broke because these get stiff after a while. This one adjusts nice and smooth. Thanks for watching.